In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and modify a monthly profit and loss report in Xero and use it for next year's budget, 5 minutes. Start by logging into Xero. From the main dashboard, open the reporting menu, then choose profit and loss. This brings up your standard P&L and will turn it into a month-by-month view you can reuse and export. At the top of the report, use the date selector to pick the period you want to analyze. Choosing last financial year is perfect when you're preparing a budget because it captures a full year of performance. If your organization has a non-calendar fiscal year, Xero will align to that automatically, so the months match your year end. Next, turn on the compare feature so you can see each month side by side. Select monthly comparison, and the report will expand into columns for every month in the period. This view makes trends and seasonality jump out, great for spotting slow months, one-off spikes, or expenses that creep up over time. To tailor the report to the way you manage your business, click Edit Layout. Here you can reorder accounts, group similar lines under custom headings, and show or hide rows you don't need. Keep revenue, cost of sales, and key operating expenses front and center so the monthly movement is easy to read. When you're happy with the structure, click Update to preview your changes. To reuse this setup later, choose Save As and give the layout a clear name like P&L Monthly. Last FY. Saving it means your team can pull the same monthly view without rebuilding it, which keeps everyone working from a consistent report. With the monthly layout ready, click Export and choose Excel or Google Sheets. The export preserves the month columns, which makes it ideal for building next year's budget. Use the historical averages as a baseline, then adjust months for known changes, like planned hires, contract renewals, or seasonality, so your budget reflects reality rather than a flat guess. A few quick tips as you finalize things. Confirm you're using the correct accounting basis for your needs, accrual or cash, so revenue and expenses align with how you plan. Check that any filters such as tracking categories or specific date ranges are set intentionally and documented in your saved layout name. And before sharing, scan totals and subtotals to be sure the monthly columns add up to the annual figures you expect. That's it. You've created, customized, saved, and exported a monthly profit and loss in Xero, ready to power a thoughtful budget for the year ahead.